CompuGroup Medical delivers powerful solutions for hard-working practices. Engage patients, increase collections, and streamline operations with CGM Lytec. Now, with CGM Lytec 2024, the solution you know and love is even better. With CGM Lytec 2024, practices will deliver better service at the point of care thanks to the new Patient Responsibility Estimate. Users can easily provide a good faith cost estimate for planned procedures after quickly running a patient's insurance eligibility for the planned procedure codes. Save time with pre-configured linked transactions for common procedure bundles. Fully integrated within CGM Lytec 2024, this feature includes an estimate display based on past payments. Users may also make adjustments for coverage, co-pays, co-insurance, remaining deductibles, and more. Providers can print and save patient estimates and have the option to tailor them with customizable messaging and a web link for prepayments or deposits. Thanks to another nice addition, practices with eMedix eligibility will enjoy an updated, more detailed view of a patient's eligibility status. Even better, users can open the eligibility verification with a single click, right from the Patient Responsibility Estimate screen. With the new Daily Appointment and Activity Review, providers and practice managers are quickly alerted to possible oversights such as appointments without charges, missed co-pays, and claims that were not billed. Providers can identify if their practice is meeting collection goals such as expected co-pays at the time of service or billing for missed appointments. With the Daily Appointment and Activity Review, practices can identify their percentage of missed appointments and discover if the CGM Connection Patient Relationship Management option could help reduce that no-show rate. With CGM Lytec 2024, patient statements are fully integrated within the practice management software. No more logging into third-party websites to view statements. Designed to be familiar and easy to use, providers can preview statements before transmission and review them from within CGM Lytec to answer any patient questions. Practices can adopt the eMedix online payment portal, and a QR code will appear on patient statements to direct them to the portal. Combine your integrated patient statements with our industry-leading eMedix clearinghouse and consolidate your operations under one trusted vendor. CGM Lytec 2024 has been tested and approved for use with the popular Microsoft Windows Server 2022. Practices should always use up-to-date, fully supported server systems to ensure security and regulatory compliance. So much is new in CGM Lytec 2024. To learn more about these and other CGM Lytec updates, contact us today